Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and welcome to today's deep dive into a tool that promises to upgrade any woodworker's kit. In this video, I'll be taking a close look at the FivePears 16-piece Forstner drill bit set, a collection that aims to blend solid construction with a price that won't break the bank. I'll walk you through how the set performs in real-world projects, highlight the strengths that make it stand out on the bench, and point out the few quirks you'll want to be aware of before you click Add to Cart. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just getting started, understanding what to expect from these carbide-tipped bits can save you time, money, and frustration. So let's jump right in and see what happens when the box is finally opened. When I first unpacked the FivePears 16-piece Forstner drill bit set, I was immediately struck by the sheer breadth of sizes it offers, everything from a crisp 1/8 inch starter all the way up to a hefty 2-inch cutter. Each bit is finished with a carbide-tipped cutting edge, which promises the kind of durability you usually only see in professional-grade tooling. The set also comes in a sturdy wooden organizer that keeps every bit upright and easily reachable, a small but thoughtful touch for anyone who likes to keep their bench tidy. For a price tag of $68, the value proposition feels solid, especially when you consider that many competitors charge double for comparable carbide performance. From the get-go, the bits feel robust in the hand, with a comfortable round shank that slides smoothly into most standard drills, although a hex shank would have been a nice upgrade for quick-change users. In my own shop, I've put these bits through a variety of real-world scenarios, and they've held up remarkably well. Drilling clean 1-inch holes for hinge pins in a new kitchen cabinet was a breeze. The carbide edge sliced through maple without any wobble, and the scoring teeth eliminated the dreaded tear out that usually mars a finish. When I tackled a hobby project involving a small wooden gazebo, the larger 2-inch bit cut deep, straight holes through dry ash timber, reaching well over 40 inches of depth with only occasional cooling pauses. I've also used them on a sheet of 1/2 inch plywood to route mounting holes for a set of floating shelves, and the bits transition from wood to a few lightweight plastic brackets without losing definition. Those practical tests show the set's versatility across hardwood, softwood, plywood, and even some plastics, making it a genuine workhorse for everyday woodworking tasks. What really sets this set apart, in my view, is the consistency of the cut quality you get straight out of the box. The carbide tips stay razor-sharp longer than many high-speed steel alternatives, which translates into clean, burr-free holes that require minimal sanding. The scoring teeth on the periphery act like a built-in deburr, effectively preventing splintering on the exit side, a feature I appreciated when working on a visible back panel for a custom coffee table. Moreover, the coating on the bits seems to reduce carbon buildup, so I haven't witnessed any nasty charring, even after extended use on dense hardwood. Considering the price, the performance feels like I'm getting a premium tool at a mid-range cost, which is a rare combination in the market today. Beyond the cutting performance, the set shines in a few subtle yet impactful ways. The bits have a solid feel, with a weight that suggests substantial material without being unwieldy. Their accuracy is impressive. Each hole lands exactly where the pilot mark indicates, which saved me countless minutes aligning dowels for a set of drawer runners. The included wooden organizer not only protects the bits during transport, but also doubles as a quick reference board. The sizes are engraved on each slot, so I never have to flip through a catalog while the drill is running. I've also found the bits to be surprisingly quiet compared to other carbide sets, a nice perk when you're in a home workshop where neighbors can hear every spin. All these details add up to a user experience that feels thoughtful and engineered for the hands-on craftsman. No product is without its flaws, and this set does have a couple of hiccups worth mentioning. The packaging leaves something to be desired. The bits arrive rattling loosely inside the wooden case, which means you have to spend a few minutes arranging them before you can start working. It's a minor inconvenience, but for a set priced as competitively as this, a tighter, more secure fit would have elevated the overall impression. Additionally, while the round shank works fine in most drills, I found it a bit slower to swap out compared to a hex shank design, especially when I'm juggling multiple sizes on a job site. A few users have reported variability in initial sharpness, so I recommend giving each bit a quick visual inspection before use to ensure the carbide edge isn't nicked during shipping. These issues don't cripple the set, but they're worth noting for anyone who values seamless workflow. When I stack this FivePears collection side by side with a few higher priced alternatives, the value becomes crystal clear. For instance, a comparable 16-piece carbide set from a well-known brand can easily top $120, and many of those bits come in a plastic case that offers little protection during transport. Even the $20 Harbor Freight sets that boast a hex shank fall short on durability. Their carbide tends to chip after just a handful of deep cuts, and the bits feel lighter and less robust. In contrast, FivePears delivers a balanced mix of solid build quality, reliable cutting performance, and a sensible price point. If you're a hobbyist looking to upgrade from budget steel bits or a professional needing a backup set that won't break the bank, this lineup hits a sweet spot that's hard to ignore. Overall, the FivePears 16-piece Forstner set feels like a well-rounded addition to any woodworking arsenal. It offers a comprehensive range of sizes, carbide tips that stay sharp through repeated use, and a thoughtfully designed organizer that keeps your workspace tidy. While the packaging could be tighter and a hex shank would be a welcome upgrade, those quirks are outweighed by the clean cuts, minimal tear out, and depth capability you get for just $68. In my hands, these bits have proven reliable for everything from delicate hinge holes to deep, high-volume drilling in hardwoods, delivering professional results without the premium price tag. If you're looking for a set that balances performance, versatility, and cost, I'd confidently recommend giving the FivePears Forstner set a try. Thanks for watching this FivePears Forstner deep dive. If you found the insights useful, tap the like button and subscribe, so every new tool we test can help you keep your projects drilled to perfection. Join the crew and stay sharp on future woodworking reviews and unlock exclusive tips for every upcoming build.